Hi, my name is Nick Caruso. This is a training video of how to use AutoStore to capture contents out of a folder and process them into a workflow. So here's an example of a folder structure that I'm going to be using. This is just a test, but I have three folders here. Subfolder 1, subfolder 2, and an exclude folder. What I want to do is in the contents of subfolder 1, I want to make sure I can pull out any JPEG or TIFF, but leave the resulting PDF. In subfolder 2, I want the exact same thing. So if it's a JPEG or a TIFF, it's going to pull it out and send it to a workflow. If it's a PDF, it's going to keep it there. And anything in the exclude directory, I do not want to pick anything up in this directory. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make a copy of this folder structure just so I can keep on running this test. It should take out all the JPEGs and the TIFFs except from the exclude folder and place them into this directory. So if I go ahead and start my AutoStore configuration, it's running right now, and if I open up the status monitor, I can see it processing one document at a time as it's grabbing the TIFFs and the JPEGs, and I can see it's leaving the PDFs. So if I go into my folder structure, I can see here my output. It has grabbed all the JPEGs and all the TIFFs, and they were named appropriately in each subfolder. So subfolder 1 and subfolder 2, it pulled them out, and it should have left the PDFs. So if we go in here, if I go into subfolder 1, it's just the PDF, the JPEG and the TIFF were pulled out. Subfolder 2, JPEG and TIFF were pulled out. Exclude, they're all in there. So let's look at the configuration of how this was done. If I open up MultiPoll, I have a very simple configuration here just to pull it out and send it to the output folder. Nothing really special about this. But you added a configuration to perhaps OCR the documents, send them into SharePoint or whatever you want. But the magic of the configuration is I have a configuration here to say, look at the root folder poll directory, traverse all of its subfolders, look for anything that's a JPEG, JPEG or JPG. Do this concurrently, or I could set it to just do it once. And then I did the exact same configuration for TIFF files. I don't know if this could have accepted a another. I don't know if this will accept like a regular expression. Maybe I could have tested that. But all I just simply did is just add another mask in here for TIFF. And then under my exclude here, I said, exclude any subfolder with the word exclude in it. And I believe this could be a mask as well, like a star.ex or whatever you want. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, you can post the questions on the NSI public forums. Thanks. Bye.